Yeah.
All right, let's look at these charts. And there's a few things I want to cover today because everything is pretty much happening exactly as expected, which was this very large V-shaped recovery. And if you just look at the chart from when we started to break down back here in February, it was definitely a nasty crash from March into early April. But I made it very clear that from that crash, if you were starting to get very fearful, that it was likely going to be a very quick recovery in the market, which is called a V recovery because it does look like a V shape, like the letter V. And that is exactly what the market did. And it was very difficult to capture those gains if you were strictly just focusing on news headlines, which were very fearful at the time. There was lots of people saying the stock market was going way lower. There were people trying to predict recessions and the state of the economy, and it was just a very loud and very noisy time in the market. But one thing that was not noisy was just following the price action on the chart and staying 100% objective and disciplined. And there is this thing in technical analysis called V-shaped recoveries, and it happens after market capitulations. And I really don't want to relive all of those videos. You can go back on April 7th and you can go back on April 21st and you can see what I said during those videos. And you can even go back here right around May 6th and May 7th when I said that was likely the higher low before we continued higher, which is very evident by the arrows on the chart. Now that is all in the past now. I will be 100% honest with you. I sold a metric shitload today and I am extremely heavy cash. And the one thing I want you to be very clear about that is opportunity when you are sitting in heavy cash. Yes, the market may continue to go a little bit higher without me, but I have no fear of missing out because I didn't miss out. We were in this rally, we captured these gains, and the only way to realize profits as a trader is to sell eventually. And today was one of those days. Like I said, I sold an absolute shitload. Now, that's not to say the market can't go higher. Maybe the market will go higher, but I will not care and I will not bother chasing it because you have to be a disciplined trader that has a system that you follow. And when that system that you follow says, hey, this is a great time to just sit back in cash and watch, that is exactly what you do. So what I want to highlight for you today is the fact that if we look at the triple Qs year to date, the triple Qs year to date are only up 0.2%, which is going basically absolutely nowhere, and we're almost halfway through the year. But what are we doing as traders? Well, we are currently sitting up over 15.7% year to date, absolutely blowing this market out of the water by over 15%. Now, one thing I want you to remember is that beating the market is very difficult to do, and beating the market by over 15% is in the top 1% of all traders. And you can get these exact buy and sell alerts for the T triple Qs and the S triple Q that I am personally sending out for you to follow if you wish to do so. And all you need to do is be a TSC Trade Alerts member, which you can find out how to join in the description of my videos as well as the comment section. So if you are struggling in this market and you have a sizable account and you want to absolutely destroy this market and you want to make sure you finish this year out strong, now is a great time to join because, as I told you, we are extremely cash heavy, which means you would be coming in with a clean slate and you would be able to take action on all of the trade alerts immediately from here. And you will do very well and you will absolutely destroy this market if you follow my trades, because that is what I am focused on making sure that we do. The number one goal in TSC Trade Alerts is to make sure we absolutely crush the market every single year. So as you can tell, we are doing that and we will continue to do that. And I am very confident that I have a very good read on this market, which is why I was able to make that call out that we were going to have that V-shaped recovery to begin with. So all I want you to focus on tonight is the fact that you need to have a trade plan. You need to be objective. You need to follow the chart. You need to block out noise, especially when noise gets the loudest. And I do believe a lot of people missed this rally. Even people that were likely bullish missed this rally because maybe they got out too early expecting a pullback. And as I warned with V-shaped recoveries, you get very shallow pullbacks and you basically just go up in a straight line. And we can now see that that is exactly what happened. So do not worry if you miss this rally. Do not let it bother you longer term. You just have to get over it and then just get in that next best trade. And that is exactly what you have to do as a trader. Don't beat yourself up over any mistakes that you make. Learn from them and try not to repeat those mistakes. And I want to give you some confidence that there's always the next best trade right around the corner. And that's why with us being cash heavy right now is a great time to jump on board any of my services. Now, looking at the triple Qs, we do have plenty of gaps below. At any point, we could start to pull back and fill these gaps. But again, we could still just continue to go even higher into the 520s and 530s. And on this buy, that would bring us up towards 600. Now, do I care if we go higher while I'm heavy in cash? Absolutely not. No FOMO here. There's no fear of missing out when you caught this entire rally as we did. It's okay if we don't sell the exact top and buy the exact bottom. You don't need to do that to be a very successful trader. So be disciplined here. Follow price on the triple Qs. That is going to be a support zone right around 508. Above 508, we're likely going to 522. And if we break down below 508, just look for the next support lower right around 500 and then 491. Stay disciplined, follow price, and as always, remain objective, follow the price action, and only listen to the chart and nobody else, nobody's opinions, and you will absolutely crush this market as we are. So once again, if you want to absolutely destroy this market, we are up over 15% in TSC Trade Alerts, where you get the exact buy and sell alerts for all of my percent allocations for TQQQ and SQQQ. You can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. Now go crush this market.